guys, today I have a Glossybox video for you guys. They do send me this for review purpose. I got the Glossybox skincare box sent in the mail. I just got this yesterday and I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys. I absolutely love their skincare. I actually did previously a video on their skincare. You can find it in my playlist of Glossybox. Their skincare has a wonderful, wonderful smell, and literally every product that was something that I could use for my skin, I used and I completely used up. Really enjoyed their skincare. And I still have their, I think like their hydrating mist, and I use that with my skincare at night. Anyways, this is the look of the box itself. I will have links and coupon codes down below if you're interested. And as always, Glossybox always does such a good job of doing like wrapping paper, kind of making you feel like you are gifting yourself. And once I take off the tissue paper, oh my God, it's like I got everything that I love all over again. I actually had all of these and had used them up completely, and basically they are restocking me. But the hydrating mist, I still have some of that left. I probably have a little less than a half left of that one. And so I'm super excited. I love, okay, Rocky, chill out. That's my dog. I love their skincare. Aside from their packaging and like the baby pink kind of aesthetic of it, their skincare smells divine. I really love how nice it is on my skin, how soft it leaves my skin. I really had a great experience with their skincare. And like I said, I used up every single one of the products that they sent me that was good for my skin type. I used up. There was one that was for more oily skin, and I think I gave that to my mom and she used it. Anyway, so the first thing in here is the Glossybox Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Me and my husband both love this. This one says that it's fragrance free, so I'm not sure if they took away the fragrance, but I absolutely love this. It just comes out like pure foam on your hand, and it just gives like a very soft, good cleanse to the skin. I don't use just one cleanser in the shower. I usually always use like a makeup balm or an oil to take off my makeup first and then use a cleanser. And I have to say, I really love this one. It's really great, very hydrating. It doesn't strip the skin. And yeah, really enjoy it. This has cactus stem extract to soothe and moisturize. It has resurrection leaf to help your complexion feel hydrated, and kangaroo paw flower extract to keep your skin supple and fresh. So first thing in here. Next thing is what I already told you guys that I have open over there. I absolutely just love the way this smells, and this is the hydrating mist. This gives just a burst of hydration. You could use this before makeup if you wanted to. It's just I just love the way their skincare smells. It has like a specific smell to it, and I can't pinpoint it, but I love it. It smells really fresh and just really nice. And this helps tones, primes, and refreshes. You could use this. I use mine a lot for after I finish all my skincare at night. I spray it all over my skin and all my décolleté to really help with more hydration. I do have more normal to dry skin. I am hitting those mature ages. Like I'm gonna be 40 next year, or not next year, this year. I'm gonna be 40 this year, and so I really love anything hydrating, anything glowy, things like that. And I have to say, I really love this spray, so I'm happy to have a backup now. And this has hyaluronic acid, which helps with hydration on your skin. It does have a babuso oil, so it leaves your skin nice and soft. And it does have Inca Inchi oil to help support your skin's natural barrier and feel moisturized. Love. Can't recommend highly enough. Love their skincare, like I said. Next thing in here is the night serum. This is to deeply nourish and brighten overnight. And this has glycolic acid to make your skin more illuminated. It has blueberry oil and Persian silk tree extract. That's something that I really enjoy about their stuff, is that it literally tells you what it does on the side. A lot of their stuff is like, for example, this is 88.5% natural. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, and they also are cruelty-free and also they do a lot of stuff that is recyclable, like the box is fully recyclable, and then once you use up their skincare, this is recyclable as well. So I really highly enjoy that, and they're very transparent about their stuff, so highly enjoy. And like I said, this is a night serum to really hydrate at night. Next up is the Glossybox 3-in-1 moisturizer. This plumps, primes, and protects. I absolutely love this for every day. This one is the lightweight one. They also have one that's a little bit thicker for if you have dry skin. I did use both of these up. I would use the thicker one to kind of really hydrate the days that I felt super dry, or I hadn't drank enough water, I was just tired, I needed more plumpness to my skin. And then the days that I just felt like my skin looked more normal, I didn't need so much hydration, I would use this one. This one's more lightweight. I highly recommend this if you have normal to more oily skin. If you have super dry skin, you would want their other one. They have a 3-in-1 moisturizer that's a little bit more of a thicker, more moisturizing formula. And yeah, these work wonders. I love the smell of them. They hydrate really nicely. This lightweight one really just absorbs really nicely into the skin and works really well under makeup. And then the last thing in here is the Eye Boost Cream. Another one that I absolutely loved. I used the crap out of this one as well, and this helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. And you know, mama's gonna use all of these products up. I'm just so happy to have gotten this box and kind of gotten a restock. I have been trying to really use up my skincare and not really like add too much into the routine. Thankfully with this, I will be able to kind of incorporate quite a few of them in there. The only thing that I might give away is the night serum, just because I have way too many night creams that I'm really trying to use up. But I feel like everything else is something that I need. I'm actually about to run out of my face cleanser, so this cleanser came right in time. And that is it for the Glossybox skincare box. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you tried their skincare? What are your thoughts? I highly love their skincare. I also don't get a lot of breakouts and stuff like that, so I think that would depend like what you're looking for or what kind of skin type you have. Definitely research and look for what's convenient to you. Like I said, I have more normal to, like, I do have some dry patches. I am more leaning towards the mature ages, and I do have a good experience with these. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. You can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.